Hello everyone. So let us discuss today how to hack the ports. Like there are different ports. In this we are going to discuss footprinting. We have two ways, active and passive. So we will discuss about active footprinting in next class, and now we will discuss about passive footprinting. Passive footprinting, it is different types. By network footprinting of ports we are going to do from the network. So let us go and try the passive footprinting. So the network footprinting, first of all, let us consider, let us install the Metasploitable 2 for the server. It is a server. So go to Chrome. You can type Metasploitable 2 download. So click on the first link. You can click here download, and you can see about the website and everything. It is a server. Click on the download. Once you download it, it will be showing here. So I already downloaded it. So you can see, click on this and extract the file from here. Now you can extract the file. In the Windows also it will be show extract here. In Mac you can double click on it, it will be extract automatically. So I already extracted it, is where it has been stored. Once you check it, you can go to our page, like the downloads, and you can check, it will be there. So the files have been extracted from that. So what we have been downloaded, we can check here. And now open UTM. So now I already created it. Once I will show create and emulate, and you, it is a Linux server, but click on others, and it should be x86 64. Now keep that to MB slowest because it is normal server. So and keep it none, and then keep it storage because we will be removing everything storage. Afterwards I will show it and continue. And now you can change the name. You can change the name. Keep metaverse too. So I have already, so I'm keeping, don't be get confused. So once after creating it, type it and edit, and in edit go to down id drive, click on it and delete this drive. So click on new and go to export, and where you style that, click on this vmdk, then open. And now it has been completed. And next go to network, and here you should be keep bridge advanced and display. You can check everything, and it should be off. UEFT boot should be off, and save it. This is about information we should change. Once you save it, then run the file. Now you can see it was loading. The server has been loading and downloading everything. basically it is a server. We can check IP addresses, and through the IP address we can be going through ports and everything. Yeah. Once it's completed, the login details you can see here, login with MSF admin and password also MSF admin to get started. So please click MSF admin and password also same MSF admin. Yeah, once it has been completed, you can check IP config. If config for IP address, so you can see your IP address also here. My IP address is 192.168.1.8. So in this way, now I already having that, so I'm opening my version once again. So already here you can see, and now let us see the click here and copy this IP address. It will be not copy, so type this IP address in your browser, Chrome browser, 192.168.1.6, 1.6. So once you check it and then press enter, and you can see here never explore the VM untrusted. Once it is running, you can see this one. So now open Kali Linux. Let us check for IP address and for the port. So first we will take one port. What are the ports have been opened? So first we will take one website. Any you can take any website. So first open the terminal in Kali. Take the root access sudo space su. Then enter the password. You then clear it. Yeah. Now let us take any of the link. So I am taking nmapgoogle.com. So I am taking the website Google. So nmapgoogle.com. I already typed it. So I was checking my history. What are the previous comments? So by clicking the up and side buttons, you can check the previous command history. So open the Firefox. If you need, you can take any another websites from here. So you can paste anything from the website. So copy this www.ischool.in. So after copying, remove the www dot, then it will be done. So I'm showing you sample. So here it is google.com. I'm taking. So press enter. Now the starting. So it has been starting nmap at the organization timing it will be showing. So it will be gives the google.com information which are the ports have been opened. What is that? So you can see 80 and 443 ports have been opened, HTTP services and HTTPS services. These ports have been there. These two ports have been opened. So we should check the ports are which version and the ports have been uh, how it is there. So we should check it and then we should be confirming it. So now you can see still the ports which have been opened and what is the version everything. So give nmap -p and the port number that 80 is there. You can check 21 22 ftp ports because it will be later advanced versions or the version is behind, so we can access if it is open, it is filtered, it is not open. You can check 3 4 ports in that way, 21 28 and 23 I'm checking port numbers. You can see that ports, one is FTP, one is telnet, one is unknown. So in this way we can check which ports have been opened or closed by -p and the port number. You can check some 1 to 100 or any ports like -p 21 -100. I have been giving the command. So now you can check how many ports have been opened. So here you can see only port number 80 is opened, HTTP. Only one port is open from 21 to 80, and you can click S capital V for the version. Which version is that port opened? You should give number beside, then it will be show the version of that port. If you use just small s and capital V, then it will show the versions. It will take some time. It will be sending request to servers. Once it allows, okay, otherwise it will be blocked. Press enter. If it is taking long time, then you can see what is the update. So it is be saving, timing is about to done. So if you want to exit it, it is not undergoing to the service scan. So if you want to exit, control C, then you will be get exit, then clear it. So if you want any port like 21 port, we have been checked, it is the version. And now if you want to go through it, then our IP address has been already there. So once we'll check from that MSF console. So it is starting. So it has been started. Our meta upload tips and receivers commands and from the files from where we should be used everything. So here it is showing MSF. Already we have been running back now. So we have been have our IP address, and now so hello have been typed. So I'm using that search. The version of VSFTPD 2.3.4 is the FTP version in the website, which it is there. For that command, you hyphen S capital V, small s capital V, and port number. Then you can see the version, and once you can see the version is opened, and you can see check and the description comments, and now use 0, and now you can check the show options. What are the options are, then you can show it will show here our host, our port 21 port we are using. So now use our host, set our host our IP address where you can see here. So paste this IP address here, and now set lhost of the Mac IP address Linux, not which the Kali Linux you are using now, that IP address you should be set here. So both should be in network same bridge network, and now then you should be get exploit. Once the both connected, then you can get here connected. So it is not, for me it has been not showing the connected due to 6200 TPC control zone. We saw that port is totally closed for Google, so it has been not sending. Once if it is opened, it will be give the access. So we will do in the next video total full discussed. We'll another port and we will check it, and then we will be completing it.